Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing this rose gold chrome powder nails. I had to do them because I wanted to try this for so long and I finally got it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably already seen it, but if you want me, I can do haul, so where I will show you more in-depth things that I got. But one of the things is this rose gold chrome powder, and I will show you how it works. So first I'm applying gel base coat, then I'm going to cure it under UV lamp, and then I will go with a top coat. It has to be no wipe top coat, and I'm not adding any color or anything like that, just because I prefer it this way and I want to see how this powder works and how it will show and everything like that. Obviously you're supposed to apply, I think, black nail polish, black gel polish, but I'm not gonna do that because to me it's not necessary and I want to see how it works. So now that I have cured my no wipe top coat, look at how pretty and shiny my nails are. I just had to take a minute to look at them. But okay, moving on, here is what we are here for, and that it's rose gold chrome powder, and I absolutely love it. You will see it here. It's so satisfying to actually see it done on camera and to actually like apply it onto your nails in like real. And it's such a pretty like chrome powder that I cannot even explain. You can apply it with a makeup sponge like I'm doing here, or you can just use your finger, but I'm just using makeup sponge and then just buffing it in, and it's so pretty and it's even more chrome in real life. Unfortunately, I think that my lighting it's kind of messing with it. This is very pigmented and I'm absolutely in love with it. Honestly, it's so pretty. It's totally rose gold chrome, like so pretty. Look at it. I mean, I love it. And then I'm going to top it off again with no wipe gel top coat, and then I will go and wash my hands, as you can see, because I have this chrome powder all over my hands. So I'm applying no wipe gel top coat, and then I will cure it and go and wash my hands, and that's it. I mean, you can totally do this with nail polishes, but it has to be topped off with some like water based top coat, because otherwise any other top coat will ruin the effect. Let me know what you think. Do like it, and also follow me on Instagram. Leave me a comment here because I want to hear your feedback, and I will talk with you in my other video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.